Now, please remember to remain seated. Always keep your hands, your arms, and your feet inside the car. And remember, folks, there is no eating, drinking, smoking, and no photography. Once again, folks, please, no flashlights once we are inside. Now, with that being said, let's go get ourselves some candy. Yeah! Clear and all clear.
I didn't do it. There was a spider that kept on coming down from the ceiling. Of course, when I'm trying to video it, it didn't do it.
You should roll when all my mind has turned to candy. Sweet candy. Looking for the best candy in town. Literally. Yes, I can take a break and have some candy. Try some tea. These birds. Twist out. got more than one sweet tooth, let me tell you. That's the 200 Gilmore so far. Keep your hands off my children. It's wild.
Woo-wee! Folks, that sir was a close one. Now, once this train has come to a complete stop, you guys can stand on us, lift open on that wooden seat by the door, then I'll come by and let you guys out. Do not jump over the side posters, wait for me to unlock the doors. Alright, let's stand on up and lift open on that wooden seat.